Over 1.5 billion Gmail users, and most never worry about security or the privacy settings and never look at their Google account settings. And therefore, they don't have an alternative email address or phone number associated with their Google account in the event their account is compromised. Let's go look at how you set that up and how it can be used. But before we do, hit that subscribe and notify button. That's all the payment that I expect. You get to your Google account from within Gmail or Google Workspace by going to the icon in the upper right-hand corner. It's either your initials or it's your picture. You click on that and you click on Manage My Google Account, and it brings up this. Now, there is a lot to digest in here, but we're only going to talk about security. So if I go to security, you'll see in security, then I have security tips and security activity and sign into Google and ways we can verify it's you. I recommend that anybody with a Gmail or Google Workspace account to have recovery phone number and recovery email address associated with your Google account. I'm not certain how Google uses it, but I am certain of this: you're better off to make yourself accessible in the event this Google account gets hijacked or compromised, so that Google can verify it's you and get you back into your account. Additionally, if you change your phone number, update your Google account with that new phone number. If you delete that email address and can never get into it again, update your Google account to make sure that you have an updated recovery email address and phone number. Additionally, I recommend everyone turn on two-step verification or use your phone to sign in so that it minimizes the opportunity for your account to become hijacked. Now, I don't have this turned on because it's a testing account. I probably should turn it on. I probably will. Let me turn it on right now. Two-step, get started. Got to put my password in. These devices can get prompts, so I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to put this phone number in. Text message, hit send. It's going to send me a text to this phone, 865-100. Next. And now I have two-step turned on. Boom. Again. Security and privacy. Have a recovery phone number, have a recovery email address, and turn on two-step verification so that you have a better control over your Google account, your Gmail account, so that it does not get hijacked. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.